Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a fidget toy from paper. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a sheet of paper, and I'm going to show you how to turn this sheet of paper into a fidget toy. And this will be a super easy method. I know there are some really cool foldable fidget toys that you can make from paper that require a lot of steps. This is like unbelievably simple. It's just a quick fidget toy that you can make. You can use it, you can then discard it, or you can save it for later, but you're not going to have a lot of time or effort or resources invested into this, so you can just use it as you need, and you do whatever you want with it after. So with that being said, here is a sheet of paper. It's just a regular blank sheet of paper, just a regular 8.5 by 11 regular. I think this is classified as letter size, I believe, but you know what I mean. It's a regular sheet of printer paper, 8.5 by 11, in terms of 8.5 inches by 11 inches as far as I know. But it's a regular sheet of paper. Whether I got those terms and those facts right or wrong, you know what kind of paper I'm talking about. It's a regular sheet of paper. And to be honest with you, you can probably use one that's even bigger than this or even smaller than this. As long as it's a rectangle or even a square, some shape like that, you should be good. But what I have here is a regular sheet of paper. Now, what I'm going to do with this regular sheet of paper is I'm going to start off by folding it in half. I'm going to take it, and it doesn't have to be perfect, just fold it in half, because it's just a fidget toy. So I fold it in half. Now I'm going to fold it in half the other way. So I'm going to take it, and I'm folding it in half the other way, okay? And guess what? Now I'm going to take it and fold it in half the other way once again. So I'm folding it in half the other way once again. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it in half the other way. Just like that. And then guess what? I'm going to take it and I'm going to fold it in half the other way again. So now I've done that, and guess what? What we're left with is a sheet of paper just like this, okay? It's just a folded up sheet of paper. And what you can do, give it a good crease, because you want some bounce back, but not too much. So what you can do is you can then take it like this, and you're holding it like this, and guess what? You now have created your nice fidget toy. All that you gotta do is push it together, it gives you a little bit of a spring back, and basically this can be your fidget toy. And you can fold it in half in whatever way that you want to. Well, as long as you end up with something that sort of is folded in half like this, is decently thick, and gives you a little bit of bounce back, that can be your fidget toy. You can even, I'm gonna try this, I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but you can even fold it in half again. Yeah, I'm gonna fold it in half one more time the other way. So it's really hard, but this is gonna give me an even thicker fidget toy with more bounce back. So what I can do is I can then just fidget with this. And all I've done is taken a very short period of time and folded up a regular sheet of paper. And I've now created a fidget toy that I can play with just like this. It's literally that simple. You have now created your fidget toy, and you can fidget with it like this as much as you want to, okay? And you can turn it around, you can do it the other way, you can do it sideways. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. This becomes a fidget toy, and it is so easy to make. So that's basically it. I tried to keep this tutorial very short, simple, short, sweet, simple, straight to the point, and I just tried to keep it unbelievably easy. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and that's it. Other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else to say and nothing else to show you. So with nothing else to say and nothing else to show you, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is officially the outro for this specific video, and I know I've said it so many times, so I'm going to stop saying it, and for real, without further ado, here is the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.